Hey guys, Josiah here with Aesthetyx Fitness. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about the top 5 ways you can make working out easier. Alright, so if you're thinking, wait a second, working out should be hard, that's the whole point of working out, that's not exactly what I mean by the title of this video. What I'm actually talking about is a lot of people complain that they can't work out for XYZ reasons. Either they're just not motivated to, they can't fit it into their schedule, workouts take too long, it's too much work, they don't know where to start, they're not seeing any progress. In this video, I wanted to come up with 5 ways to kind of combat all of those sort of reasons that people find to make them not work out. So if you do all of these 5 things, it should help you find that working out is easier, it's something you want to do, and that you have time to do it, and that you will see results from doing it. Alright, let the countdown begin. Number 5 is, if you're having trouble finding time to get to the gym, switch from a push-pull legs split to an upper-lower body split. Now, a push-pull leg split is a very effective, great athletic way to train your body. Basically, you have a workout day where you're training your upper body in all of its pushing motions, so things like bench press, shoulder press, tricep movements, and then a day where you're training your upper body in pull movements, so things like pull-ups, rows, bicep curls. And then you have a legs day. Then you repeat that whole process again, and then you have a rest day, so you work out 6 days out of the week. And that's my problem with the push-pull leg split, is that you're working out and going to the gym 6 out of the 7 days a week and you only have 1 rest day. I think that that's a little taxing on your body when it's exercised that way. However, it does allow you to hit all of your body parts twice per week and really give them a lot of volume. So if that's something that works for you, keep on doing it. I have nothing against it. But if you're a person who wants to go to the gym fewer times per week and also need a little more rest and recovery time, I find an upper-lower split works really well for that. So you have 1 day where you work your whole upper body, 1 day where you work your legs, rest, 1 day work your whole upper body, 1 day where you work your legs, and then 2 more rest days. That way you're only going to the gym 4 times a week instead of 6, so you have more free evenings to do things you like to do. Alright, number 4, if you're having trouble motivating yourself to go to the gym, listen to music. I did a video on this last week where I talked about how listening to music while working out can actually increase your athletic performance by up to 15% and help reduce the perceived effort of the weights you're lifting. So by doing that, it helps both actually make your workouts go faster, feel better, and give you some entertainment while you're working out. And I find for me personally that if I listen to music before going to the gym, I'm a lot more excited to work out by the time I actually get there. There are a lot of days when I am just not in the mood to work out, so I'll throw on my workout playlist 20 minutes before I leave, and that'll help get me kind of psyched out and make me actually want to lift weights and want to just burn some energy. Number 3, get a workout buddy. Now this can be someone you know, a friend who you convinced to work out with you, or if you happen to meet someone at your gym and start working out with them, this can be a great way to help you stay motivated and also help you stay accountable to make sure that you have someone else who's going to be going to the gym with you so that you have that encouragement to get to the gym every day that you are supposed to be working out. If you are a social person, someone who gains energy from being around others, having someone to actually spend time with at the gym who can help push you harder when you're working out and can also help encourage you to actually get to the gym is really helpful and also makes working out a little more fun. Let's be honest, if you are going to the gym day after day and you don't know anyone there, it can be kind of an antisocial activity if you're just working out by yourself. If you have someone there, it makes it so you're not just going to the gym to work, you're going to the gym to spend time with someone and work together, which is a lot more enjoyable and a lot more motivating. Alright, number 2 is kind of a 2-parter, and that is work out more intensely, and a subset of that is put your phone in airplane mode. Now the reason I say work out more intensely is that a lot of people you will see do a set and they will rest for like 5 minutes. And I'm not talking powerlifters who are trying to up their 1 rep max on deadlift. I'm talking people who are like doing leg extensions or bicep curls. They'll just sit down, get on their phone and sit there for 5 minutes and then decide they're gonna do the next set. And their workout will take like 2 hours and they're not getting anything useful done. Up your intensity, keep your workout moving, and shorten your rest times as much as you can so that you're hitting all of the volume you're supposed to hit in a shorter period of time. And part of this is putting your phone in airplane mode. You'll still be able to listen to your music playlists, and you'll still be able to track your workouts in an app, but you won't have the distraction of things like notifications, text messages, and of course the internet to distract you from just getting in, getting a workout done, and going home so you can enjoy the rest of your night. And that brings me to number 1, lastly, and by far the most important. If you are a person who struggles to go to the gym because you find that you are not making progress and it just doesn't seem worth it, track your workouts. I cannot stress this hard enough. I worked out for about 4 years without ever tracking my workouts, and I made like some newbie gains and some progress and then plateaued for like 2.5 years. And then I started tracking my workouts and I gained significant amounts of strength and muscle within the course of that year after I'd been training for 4 years. Tracking your workouts makes working out so much more rewarding, and also it helps you to really keep yourself, again, accountable when working out. So if you know that you did 3 sets of 8 reps of 225 pounds last workout, you know that you should be doing at least that, preferably a little more this workout, so you are progressing and seeing progress. Because if you don't track things, you are not going to remember what you did last workout, and you're not going to be able to have that motivation to push yourself even harder this workout. So by tracking your workouts, you can just help yourself progressively overload and continue to make progress in all of your exercises and in your physique as a whole every time you go to the gym, and that will keep you motivated more than anything else. Alright guys, thanks for watching today's video. Of course, leave a like down below if you enjoyed this video or found its content useful. Subscribe to this channel because I have new content coming out all the time. And of course, comment down below letting me know any topics you would like me to cover so that I can help you train smarter and look better.